visualization, I've used two particular data sets. First is the Forbes top 100 cities weather data, and the second is the climate change data. The global warming dataset contains the global warming dataset dashboard contains four particular idioms. The first idiom is a polar area chart along with a polar line chart of temperature. The area chart shows the number of days in the time period of 3 years when there was snowfall, heavy rainfall, and light rain. The line represents the average temperature. Example, in the city of Houston in 1980s, the temperature was 13.3 degrees, whereas in 2024 it rise to 14.72 degrees centigrade. Similarly, we can see that in this particular time period, there was 246 days in which there was heavy rainfall. The next is a density geomap, which shows rise in temperature in the world in the last 300 years. It uses color as its encoding channel, and it can show that countries like India are seeing more rise in temperature in the last 300 years as compared to cities in South America or Africa, for example. The next is a surface area plot which contains month over month information about the temperature. It can show that the rise in temperature for specific months. Example, for the city of Houston, in October, the temperature, October 2023, the temperature was 15.3 degrees centigrade, whereas in 1980s it was almost 14 degrees. So we are seeing a 1.5 degree temperature rise in October. The last is a heat map which contains various metrics. It basically encodes these four metrics of precipitation, snowfall, sunrise, and shortwave radiation. Example, for precipitation, it encodes millimeters of precipitation per city as in its color. This also has a stacked bar chart on top which represents the total precipitation in that particular year. The user can interact with this dashboard in three particular ways. First is changing the city. Example, for Houston, we can change it to say Melbourne. Similarly, the next is selecting the metric from precipitation to snowfall. It shows the number of hours of snowfall. It also shows the sunshine duration. And the last is changing the view for the particular surface area plot. The visualization can be used to compare data between cities, analyze trends in global rise of temperature, and summarize weather data for cities.